Thanks for visiting FanFinder by Colorado Home Cooling and Daylighting. Completing FanFinder should only take about 10 minutes and is split up into 5 parts. If you get stuck or have any questions, don't hesitate to give our office a call. Choosing the right size fan for your home makes all the difference when it comes to energy efficiency and long-term value. So in part 1, we'll ask for your above ground square footage and we'll give you some sizing options to choose from. Next, your fan can only move as much air as it can exhaust out of the attic. So in part 2, we'll ask you to let us know your best estimates of your existing attic ventilation, and we'll suggest any extra ventilation that we think you might need. Don't worry if you're unsure about this part, feel free to skip it and one of our office staff will help you with this assessment later on. In part 3, you'll have a few options where you'll be able to select eligible upgrades to your fan, add a solar attic fan, or choose to receive our free winter insert for Quiet Cools by paying with cash or check. In part 4, we will ask a few details about your home to help us to confirm the feasibility of the installation. And lastly, we will need your home address and contact information to confirm the quote. Don't worry, we will only use this information to keep track of your quote and confirm pre-installation details in our system. And you're all done. On the last page, you'll be taken to your quote where you'll see all the items you selected as well as the total price. You'll also be emailed a link to this quote with the email address you provided. For questions or scheduling, click the button below and someone from our office will reach out for next steps. It's as easy as that.